Hello, everyone. My name is Juan Carlos Vances. I am from Peru. I live in Lima. I am 26 years old. Today is my first day at this company. I am very happy to meet. I am for you. No, I want to tell you letting about my preference. My favorite food is chicken and rice. I love you 80 Peruvian food, especially ceviche. I love listening to music in my friend. I love you listening to pop and romantic music. But I do like listening to very low music. I also like watching movies. I am playing video games. I enjoy spending time with my family. I am love you go going, my friends. I don't waking up very early. I am high watching for I love day. I am very happy to start this new job and meet people. Thank you for listening. He pleasure to meet you. Hi.